Hello everyone, thank you for joining us here in Manny Pagan Travel Channel. We are currently in Dallas, Texas right now, and we are going to check out this amazing museum that is included in City Pass. If you don't know what City Pass is, it's actually a great way to visit major cities all over the United States. With City Pass, you can actually pay a certain fee. In this case, it's $54 each ticket, and you get to check out 3 different locations in a certain city. So here in Dallas, we get to check out the Science Museum, we get to check out George Bush's Presidential Museum, and you also get to check out the Geo. So we're going to be looking at many different places here for a great fee. So if you want to see more of Dallas and what you can do here in Dallas, make sure you continue watching the video. Let's go. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Exhibit where we have a lot of fossils of dinosaurs here, and basically all this is pretty much talking about the life that was here prehistorically in Dallas. So right here we have the ocean life in Dallas. According to this part over here, it basically says that here Dallas in this area, and basically most of Texas, was covered underwater. So we would be underwater right now if we were here millions and millions of years ago, according to science, of course. Pretty cool. They have all these exhibits. Look at the huge turtle there. And on throughout, the Alamosaurus is that one right there, the huge one. Obviously the T-Rex. They were both found here in North America. Alamosaurus, you can find it in Texas. Interesting. All right, so the museum is actually really good. The only thing is that we got here pretty late. We got here, we just went in like around 4. The museum closes at 5. So we were only able to see just the exhibits that you've seen in the video. And then also we were able to see around a 20-25 minute video. It was a 3D video, so movie. So it was pretty cool about prehistoric times here in Earth, specifically Gondwana and Antarctica before this modern era, right? So it's pretty cool. Now we're gonna go check into our hotel, and we're going to be able to go to the Geo Tower. I believe it's right there. You can see it between the trees. And we're going to do that, and then we're gonna go eat. So hopefully we get some really nice pictures. Let's go. Okay, so we are officially here. As you can see the back there, it is the Reunion Tower. I butchered it and I said it was a Geo Tower before, but it has a Geo deck, so that's what I got wrong before. But yes, it's a Geo Tower. Not got it wrong again. This is the Reunion Tower. Okay, has Geo deck, and it's also part of the City Pass. As I mentioned before, we're now on the GoPro because before we had to be on the iPhone. Oh, by the way, before I go anywhere, I have to thank my boy Kevin for this blessing right here, this beautiful Nissan that we were able to rent out of Enterprise. He works in Enterprise, and he gave us a nice discount, his employee discount on it. So that's the good thing. So now we are going up there, and we're gonna check it out.
It was named after a settlement that existed here in Dallas in the 1850s.
There's like a heart.
Wow. Beautiful city of Dallas. It's like someone is proposing.
You're so conservative.
All right, so it was amazing. I really enjoyed it. How about you, hon?
It was beautiful. Beautiful.
It's like 470 something feet where we were standing at, so
Very nice.
very nice view from up there. So this is what it looks like out here in the nighttime. Dallas all lit up. Very nice. Very cool.
Did you see what they did? It's a heart. The red light, it's a heart.
Oh, look at that. It is a heart. Could have just flown the drone here. But it's okay. I'll try to get a shot of Dallas tomorrow. Yeah. All right, we are in Terry's Barbecue here in Dallas. Check it out. Love the wall. Very nice. Now, when you come to Texas, you gotta have barbecue. So let's try it. Let's try it. Here it's one of the best, one of the best rated here. So. Hello.
Welcome to Tech Relax. And for here to go.
For here. How is it? Good?
This is not no fufu stuff.
All right, Terry's, man, Terry's here in Dallas, Texas. Let me see. Chopped up beef. They didn't have the beef rib though, so you guys owe me that one, Terry's. But this is really good. It's so good.
Try the mac and cheese.
Let's see the mac and cheese here from Dallas, Texas.
It's really good.
Texas, y'all. Wow. Super creamy. So good. Let me try this corn with cream. Try that. Try that.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I can't wait to try the pecan pie. I gotta have pecan pie with ice cream. If it fits, it ships. It ships into my body. So we're gonna do it. Guys, I tried. I'm a big boy. I couldn't eat the whole thing. It's too much. Now the sausage though, we ate almost the whole thing. Brisket, the beef was good too, but guys, this place is so good, so excellent. Terry's Black Barbecue. I want to personally meet Terry and thank him for his service.
Let me tell you, when we walked in, when we parked in the parking lot, it smelled like somebody was having a cookout. It smelled so good outside. It just brings you in here. It was so good. And then everybody's so nice too.
Now I have to ask you a question. Why are you looking sideways? The camera's right here.
Well, because I keep looking at the I keep looking at the mic.
Yeah, everybody's gonna be like, yo, she's cross-eyed. I don't know where to look. No. Am I gonna get that dessert though? I'm gonna get it. Everybody told me skip the line. We got you. So I'm gonna go skip the line right now and try it. Listen, I don't come to Texas that often. I mean, we're thinking about moving here. We're here on a trial process / vacation, but I mean, it's we're very close to that point of moving here. I just need someone to hire me.
The food is convincing. Let me tell you.
Yeah, nah, it probably wouldn't be Dallas. More likely it would be Houston, Katy, Texas, that area, but I'm loving it. So let's see what happens, but let me go get that pecan pie. All right, check it out. Got the mini pecan pie, like some people call it. Let's see. Okay, so we're pretty much done with our first day here in Dallas. What we're gonna do is we're entering our hotel. We are staying at the Westin Central Dallas, and it's pretty nice. We already checked in, but we couldn't record because of my GoPro, but now we're gonna record.
I feel like it looks nicer at night anyway.
We are in room 938.
Now listen, I know he said that our night is basically over, but y'all already know what's gonna happen next.
Yeah, we take a shower. Welcome to the Pagan residence for 2 nights.
Welcome to our home.
So, pretty big, sizable TV here. Has a hidden fridge. So, it's pretty good. Let me see, is there anything in here?
The TV is huge. Normally, sometimes
Nothing in there. How tired was that?
sometimes when we have like the hotel room, they have like a little itty bitty little TV. This one's real big. This one's really big.
Yeah. Has a nice sofa too. Nice little stool here with a little chair, a little table. You know, the bed is very comfortable, a king size bed, and we were able to try it out earlier. As far as like taking a little power nap, and it was great. You got the closet here. It has an iron board. Nice thick towels. Nice bathroom, toilet, shower, and even a Westin robe. So, you know, it's little things that really help out. Oh, they do have water here too. So they have blessed us with some water. We get some ice, and yeah, looks great. By the way, for those of you that saw my video of you know, getting robbed in Puerto Rico, I got my replacement Coach bag, all right? And I'm very happy about this one. You know, my wife is a little hesitant of me carrying Coach bags, but check it out. It's a beauty. It looked much better, but my wife decided to throw the luggage on it and crush it a little bit in the top. So sorry for that, but other than that, it's a beautiful, beautiful bag. Love it. Got it on sale, and it's going to come with me on the next major trips. Also, for those of you that saw my my other video.
A lot of stuff happens to us.
Well, this is my new bag, courtesy of JetBlue. JetBlue bought us a new one because they broke the pink one that my wife had. I didn't really like it that much anyway, so this one's really nice. Has a lot of compartments here. It's great. So great time here in Dallas. It's not over yet. We're going to see a couple of museums tomorrow, so definitely come and follow me and stay here for the ride. All right, so as for now, it's time for me to rest. So I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, beautiful day here in Dallas this morning. Had a great rest. We had some Starbucks for breakfast near our hotel. And now we are here really close to where JFK was shot and killed. So never been here before, obviously, and I cannot wait to check out everything from the standpoint to be here. And you know, you teach about this as a history teacher, but to actually walk here in history and see where it happened, what happened. Now, obviously, I don't really believe the official story. Don't tell my supervisor that, but you know, it's still amazing to be here in a place where history happened. Obviously, I have my beautiful wife here with me, and we are very excited to be here.
Yes.
All right, so like I said, I thought about this. I'm actually here. I'm actually here where JFK got shot. That X right there marks the spot where he was shot from, supposedly, allegedly, the Texas School Book Depository, right there in that building. So that's the first X. And the second one, where it basically finished him off, is right over there in the same lane. I can't believe it. I can't believe that I'm here. Now, we do have some people preaching the gospel in the back, so shout out to them. I have no problem with them doing that. But that's why I have to speak a little louder. But anyways, you know, it's kind of like a sad place. Here's a grassy knoll. This area right here.
Walk in the liberty of Christ.
And I'll take you guys closer over there so that way you guys can see. But basically, to go into the School Book Depository, I think you're paying $18 per person for adults, and you get to go in and see it. You have to get here early though. It looks like the first tour is already pretty much booked, so my tour is going to start at 11:30. We're at, it's like 10 something right now. Let me see exactly. Right now it's 10:48, so we have a couple of minutes before we get to do the tour. So we're just here, you know, really checking this place out. I'm gonna try to attempt to do a drone shot here, but if I can't do it, then I'm sorry. It'll be really nice if I did though, so I'm gonna try right there in that area right there. But
The fact that you are sinning, that is the problem.
yeah.
It's the fact that you're lying to God.
okay, this is the grassy knoll area. And this is where everyone, most conspiracy theorists believe that JFK was shot from, not from the School Book Depository, which we're gonna be in soon. But it's amazing.
Jesus never said you walked. He said you that last shot scared him off the pedestal so bad he ran. That last shot, he said he thought it was behind his head. We were firing was a deer.
Yeah, I definitely don't need a jacket anymore.
My God! They've killed the president!
So we recorded as much as we could of the Texas School Book Depository. Amazing museum. I recommend it 100%. Worth every single penny that we spent there. They have a nice museum shop as well. Beautiful views of the city from up there as well. So it's very, very nice. But just outside we have this kind of like this fountain area. Very nice area. Truly do like Dallas. Dallas, very nice place. Very clean. Except for those sneakers that they throw in there, but.
Looks like somebody threw their whole laundry in there.
But yeah, it's just a beautiful place. Now we're gonna check the Holocaust Museum. We were gonna go to the George Bush Presidential Museum, but it's closed today for some reason. I don't know if they close on Saturdays, but we're gonna head to the Holocaust Museum here to enjoy our last sighting for the City Pass. So City Pass, absolutely worth it. If you come with a good time, you'll be just fine. I think the museum closes at 5, so we'll see that, but we're a little hungry, so we're gonna get something to eat. There are monuments all over Dallas, especially in this area for JFK. This is another one of them. All right, so just a short walk from Dealey Plaza, we find Chamala Taco Bar. Let's see how it is. That's right.
Yeah, you wonder, like, if you're on the side, you're like, why are they missing so many serves? You get one. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Chamala Taco Bar. Thank you.
All right, so the food is here. How is it? She got quesadillas, chicken.
Listen, this tastes very authentic. Normally, like when you order quesadillas from places, they don't taste good. They taste good, but they taste, I don't know, this tastes fresh. It's good.
Got my taquitos, but I feel like it, you know, it could have been bigger. But either way, let's try it out. Let's see. Soft tacos, of course. They're good. All right, so we just left the restaurant. Great food, like I said before. I just think that a little more portions would be great. But it wasn't too bad. It came out to 40 bucks for both of us. We got strawberry lemonades, you know, the tacos, quesadilla, small soup. So it wasn't too bad. It's great for lunch though, especially if you're in this area. Now we're gonna walk to the Holocaust Museum, part of the City Pass, and finalize the City Pass activities. So let's go. This is a cabin that they have here pretty much in the middle of the city here in Dallas. It's been well preserved. This is right in front of the Dallas Holocaust Human Rights Museum. was an amazing museum. We learned a lot. Very sad what happened, obviously, to all of the victims of the Holocaust. But we were very, very happy to be there to see this amazing museum. And it has been a wonderful day here in Dallas, doing all these different activities. Now we might head to Fort Worth, Texas to check out the stockyards. Okay, it's a really nice place to walk around, so pretty close here, obviously, to Dallas. So we're gonna head over there, then get some dinner, and then time to relax. Well, howdy y'all. We're now here in Fort Worth. No, I'm sorry.
Don't do that, you idiot.
We're here in Fort Worth in the stockyards. I always seen that you have people coming here to have a nice walk around and see rodeos and all that kind of stuff. So we decided to come and check it out. Parking is $10 in this lot. This lot right here charges $15. So we said, nah, we going over there, saving the $5, and that's exactly what we did.
Some horsies.
All right then. All right, cowgirl, take it easy. Got horses all over here. Beautiful livestock. Check it out.
That's Susie and that's Wolfetto.
All right, just a little walk, and now we get to the places where they have the live bands and all the commotion. It looks absolutely wonderful here. Really like it. This is Texas. Dibbly doodle day. Oh, no, I'm kidding. We're here, and so many great places to eat, so many great places to actually chill at, have a nice time. It's worth coming here. If you're going to be in Dallas and you need to find something to put into your itinerary, this is great. Take a 25-30 minute drive from Dallas, depending on where you're at. From the Holocaust Museum, it took us about 38 minutes to get here, and it was a great decision. Great place to come and walk around. You can shop here, and yeah, it's really great, especially on the weekend, and especially on like on an Easter Saturday. Very, very, very cool. So you gotta check it out. All right, so currently we are in Clyde Warren Park in Dallas, and this is an amazing place to come to in the nighttime to actually enjoy your time. So check it out. It's actually really nice.
I know they have the ice cream trucks for like, it smells like funnel cakes next to us.
Very beautiful. So, you know, it seems like during the day they have little shops, they have food trucks, ice cream, all that good stuff. And they have a playground for children here as well. It's really nice.
And you didn't tell them the best part. We're standing right above a major highway. The park is right on top of it.
That is very true. This park is on top of one of the major highways here. I forget what name of the highway. If you want to comment below and tell me what's the name of the highway. But yeah, this was pretty cool about it. So, show you guys the playground, and then we're gonna go to the water show area, water fountain area.